Excellency.
This week, the president has admitted to asking the president of Ukraine to take actions which would benefit him politically.
Donald Trump will leave Congress, in my view, no choice but to initiate impeachment.
That call was perfect. It couldn't have been nicer, and even the Ukrainian government put out a statement that that was a perfect call. There was no pressure put on them whatsoever. Not at all, seriously. We had a perfect phone call with the president of Ukraine. I think it's ridiculous. It's a witch hunt.
It's just a continuation of the witch hunt. It's the worst witch hunt in political history.
It's a Democrat witch hunt. Here we go again.
You don't talk about that. It's a real disgrace. But the good news is the voters get it. This is why they say it's good for the election. But you know what? It's bad for the country.